Okay, this is the original LCD, and we already using a black tape to tape the sensor. Now we remove the sensor. Look, it's automatically become bright. Now we put our 3D in cell LCD, which is not being processed yet, and it's not functioning at all. It's not moving. You see, this will not automatically move. Now it's not changing anything. Now let's process it. Now we connect the original LCD onto this end. And our LCD to the other end. Turn on the power. And now press the blue button. That's it. 拿下。Now let's see. Look.
它这个讨厌就在你关上之后啊，关上之后打开吧，这样重弄一遍啊。我们堵上了是吧？把它关上，打开，按一下，
Yeah.
把它调。
Right. Release. Now look. It's working perfect.